Hi Miss, how can I use Seneca to complete my assignments?
Great question. In order to know what Seneca is, please visit the video What is Seneca? If you have been set on an assignment, you may be asked by your teacher to use Seneca to help you with your assignment, or you may wish to refer to it yourself to access the knowledge and information you need. To gain access to your assignment, you will need to log into your year group learning dashboard, which can be accessed from the school website. So type in Beckford Thornton in any search engine and click on the link. Once you enter the school website, scroll down to your year group learning dashboard. Click on the year group you belong to and this will send you to the Microsoft login page. Enter your school email and press Next. You will then be redirected to the Beckford Trust sign-in page. You will need to repeat the previous step. Enter your school email and your school password and then click sign in. This will take you into your year group learning dashboard. Scroll down to the Teams tab and click on it. A window will open asking you how you would like to gain access to Teams, either through your desktop app or the web app. Select the web app, the one beneath the other highlighted in blue. You will now be rerouted to the Teams app. Go to the left and select the Teams icon. All your classes will appear as squares across the screen. Click on your class and the default screen that will appear will be the post screen. Travel across the top navigation bar and select Assignments. You'll now enter the assignments page in Teams. Select the assignment you wish to complete. The file will open in Teams. Remember, any changes you make here will be saved automatically. You can now use Seneca to support you with your knowledge and information while completing your assignment. In order to gain access to Seneca, open another tab and return to your year group learning dashboard. Scroll down to Seneca and click on the link. You will now be rerouted to Seneca homepage. Log in using your username and password. Use the left-hand menu to select age group and the key stage. You can now select the subject that has set you the assignment.
Is there an easier way to access both at the same time?
Yes, you can split the screen with both program windows. You can do this by clicking the top bar of the Teams window and dragging it to the left or to the right side of your monitor. Repeat the procedure for the other program window. Now you have both windows split, allowing ease of sight. Use Seneca to support you to complete your assignment. Remember, at Beckford Thornton, we are responsible people who enjoy, learn and succeed.